Hello everyone, this is Yashika Bishnoi from Alakriti Vidana, and today I just wanted to explain you about the energy circle which is useful for COVID patients, as we are also using many energy circles and other modalities also for the healing. So the patients, those suffering from coronavirus, they can't do anything. So what you can do is the family members can do this. What they need to do is they have to make a circle like this on a plain sheet, and the issues they are facing is like those who are taking medicines of corona, their sugar level is increasing. So to regulate the sugar level, they have to write the code 733856746. This is the code which they need to write it. And there's one more issue they are having is energy level is very low. So what they need to do is they have to write the energy code 9947786785. They have to write this code. As you can see that there are bacterial issue and there are fungal issue. Some people are facing a black fungus issue, some people are facing normal fungus issue. So what they need to do is they have to write the code 9458768587. So they have to write this code like this on the plain sheet. And if somebody is facing issue of cold, cough in the corona, so what they can do is they can write the corona codes on the plain sheet of paper. If the patient is having a issue of a fever, so you can write a fever code with the blue pen only, 5185175199814. If somebody is having cough, they can write 611. If I am giving gap, you have to write give a gap in the EC, otherwise just write continuously. If somebody is having a dry cough, they have to use the code 388222170. If somebody is facing a cold, what they need to do is they have to write the code 2998545. Like this, you have to mention the codes. Somebody is having a running nose, then what they need to do is they have to write 471593662 with the blue pen only. The pen you have to use is blue, where I am mentioning all the colors as well. If somebody is having a block nose, so what they need to do is they have to write the code 765993675. If somebody is having a chest congestion, they have to write 197981219. You can use the codes according to the issue. If somebody is having a sore throat, use the red color pen and write the code 62492674. Like this. If somebody is having a less oxygen in body, what they need to do is they have to write with the green pen. The code is 456935429. They have to write this code like this. Okay. If somebody is having an inflammation in the lungs, what they need to do is they have to take a blue pen and write 8881643. They have to give the gap like this. They don't need to write continuously. Okay. So where I am mentioning the gap, you have to give a gap. If somebody is losing their smell sense, like they are not getting the smell, so what they need to do is they have to gain the smell. So they can take a green pen. Okay. They have to store the smell back. So they can take a green pen and write the code 484888044. This is with the continuous form. And in the last, they can write 66814439, 647 965, 778 963, 748. When I am mentioning comma, you have to put a comma. Where I am not mentioning, you don't need to put comma, just write continuously. And the other code is 8778, 965, 778, 963, 748. So you have to write these codes like this. After writing this code, what you need to do is, there is a code of Zebu, that is for health. The Zebu code name is Hatumi. When you will write this code, make this code, you have to make it with the green pen. And what you need to do is, you have to make a symbol like this. See, you have to make this symbol starting from this point. You have to go up like this, like this, like this, and like this, and chant Hatumi, Hatumi, Hatumi as much you can. This is the healing symbol of Zebu. You can make this. Those who know sigil, they can make the sigil as well. Those who know the Reiki, they can use Chokure, as the energy will enhance. And what you need to do is, then you have to mention the patient name, and date of birth of the patient. So this will be clear that this EC is for this particular patient. And remember one thing, that this codes, the initial codes, is very important, as the situation of the diabetes is getting increased, and you have to take care of this. And the black fungus code, that is which one I told you. So you have to mention these things in the EC, and you have to use the EC and just paste it on the wall. Those who know Reiki, they can flow the Reiki on daily basis. And the black fungus code, I think I forgot to mention here. I'll just mention here. The black fungus code is 500566. Again, this is a very important code, 500566. You have to mention this and just paste it on the wall. And those who know Reiki, what they can do is, they can flow Reiki on this. They can, if somebody know pendulum healing, they can heal the person with the pendulum. So this is the important EC for the corona patients. I just pray to God that everybody will recover soon and they'll come back home with their families. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Lots of love to all.